Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the Chuwi Hi12 keyboard. So this is how the keyboard comes. I received this along with my Chuwi Hi12, which I'll leave a link to in the description of this video. This came directly from Chuwi itself, so unlike other websites like Banggood, this comes in the original packaging. So this is what you get. It comes in cardboard box with some information about Chuwi, but not much else. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here we have one keyboard. Okay. So, full-size keyboard. Really smart looking actually against the white against the grey. Docking mechanism up here. As I saw in Tech Tablets video, a little bit spongy, but not really something I'm really going to worry about. It's slightly deeper than the rest of the case, so it means that the screen shouldn't touch it, and it comes with these little rubber bits to stop the screen from directly touching all of the keys. It's quite light, it's quite nice. It's a plastic sort of, I don't know, sort of a plastic rubbery finish. It's probably going to get marked quite easily. Loads of screws. They really wanted to make sure that didn't be open again. But yeah, looks alright. So let's grab the tablet, if I can get it, there we go, and see how it connects. So the docking mechanism, as you can see on there, how it connects onto it, should just slide on. And there you go. Simple as that. So as you might be able to see, really neat little mechanism. It's actually different than the one I've seen before. I'll have to look that up. But really smart. Yeah, I do like that. So if I close this lid, you can see it's a little bit thicker than what sort of notebooks would be, but still not that thick. I'd say the thickest end is probably about 1.5 centimeters, and the thinnest end is probably just over a centimeter. But it comes with a little USB 2 port on both sides, so that's quite handy. But yeah, overall a nice neat looking unit. Let's just see, does this turn off the screen? Yes, so as you might be able to see, when it gets close, there must be a magnet that turns off the screen. But overall, yeah, nice little unit. Let me just open this back up again. Let's check out. So there is a little bit of play, well actually quite a lot of play, but it's still quite sturdy. So yeah, that shouldn't bother me too much, unless I'm on a plane maybe, and it might move around a bit. But normal day-to-day use, yeah, this should be quite handy. So yeah, quite good. So if you do have any questions or anything you want me to look at or go through, feel free to leave a comment in the below this video. If you did like this video, then please leave a like and check me out on social media, which I will leave a description to below. Thank you.